how to change App Store country. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the country of your App Store on your iPhone, whether you've moved to a new country or want to access to a different region's apps. This guide is very quick and easy, so let's go through the steps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll make all the changes. Simply tap on your Apple ID at the top of the settings. Next, simply scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. Simply tap on View Account. You might be asked to sign in or enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID. Simply do that. Once you're signed in and tapped on View Account, here you can see an option that says Country and Region. This will show the country your Apple ID is currently set to. Simply tap on Change Country or Region, and you'll be shown a list of countries and regions. Select the country you want to switch to. Let's say Philippines. Now you'll be asked to review the terms and conditions for the new country. After reading it, just tap on Agree. Now you'll need to enter your payment method and billing address for the new country. You may need to update your credit card or choose a non-payment option if you don't want to enter a new payment method. Once everything is filled out, just tap Next and your App Store will be updated to the new country's region. And that's it. You've successfully changed your App Store country.